Fasten your belts, we're going on a space travel with Galaxy Makeup. Watch this video to know how to turn ordinary beauty products into awesome cosmetics quickly and easily. Meet a curious girl who's interested in the stars and galaxies. She's read a number of books about it. Let's call her Starry. Starry dreams of going on a space trip and discovering new planets. She's got a rocket-shaped mascara to carry out her dream. Flap your lashes and fly away. Wrap your mascara into air-dry clay. Soak your hands in water to make the clay flexible. Smooth the surface. Attach the clay to the top and the tube separately to let the mascara open easily. Imprint a round shape on the top to make a porthole. Cut out cardboard rocket fins. Put them into the body tube. Let the clay dry for 24 hours. Then you can paint the rocket. Define black details. Color the body tube with white acrylic paint. Make a red top and bottom. Make a blue porthole. Define it with pearl gray paint. The rocket is ready to launch. Let Starry use the rocket for her space trip. 3, 2, 1, launch! Wow! Space is so big and the rocket is so small. Stars and galaxies are rushing by. Oh, what's this? It looks like an unidentified flying object. I'll take it with me. And in the meantime, the chief galaxy manager is bored at the office. Miss Moon's going to open a new planet. We'll need a travel hairbrush with a mirror or a round compact powder. Cut a foam plastic ball in half. Hot glue one half to the top. Paint it pink. Use acrylic paint. And carefully color the whole surface. Attach the other half to the bottom. Color it pink as well. Make cloudiness around the planet. Take hollow fiber filling and hot glue it around the foam plastic. We've got a cute macaroon-shaped planet covered with a constant cloudiness. There's a whole universe inside. Moon opens the planet and looks at the mirror. She likes what she sees. She's as nice as ever. Who can say she isn't? She wants to do her hair with this little brush. Oh, I've forgotten. The moon has no hair. You can brush up your craters. Moon has a visitor at last. Starry is happy to see her. She didn't think she could meet Moon at the office. What a lovely hat. I want to have the same. Moon likes to grant wishes. She gives her Starry a halo as a gift. In return, Starry shows Moon what she's found, a flying EOS saucer. Trace an EOS top on thick paper. Make a bigger circle. Be sure the little one is in the center. Cut out the ring. Color the EOS container with blue nail polish. Paint the paper ring gray. Apply fluorescent paint on top. Make fluorescent dots using a Q-tip on the top of the container. Take off the top. Put on the ring, then twist the top back. Turn off the light. An unidentified flying object is found out. The EOS bomb has turned into an extraterrestrial spacecraft from the furthest world. The flying saucer is glowing mysteriously in the dark. Starry opens the UFO and puts the bomb on her lips. Moon's turned yellow with envy. She wants EOS as well. That's why she proposes an exchange, a star glow instead of EOS. Starry has glittered lips and Moon likes what she's gained. Moon doesn't want to let her guest free. She suggests going shopping together. They go to a store to choose beauty products. Finally, Starry pays for their purchase at the cash desk. It's been so long. Moon isn't used to waiting for others. They return home and examine their purchases. There's a comet brush that's appeared from the shop. Paint the handle of a makeup brush with yellow acrylic paint. Sprinkle with golden glitter before it dries. Hot glue a star embellishment to the end of the brush. Apply hairspray to fasten the glitter. Fly away, Comet! You can use this brush to do galaxy makeup. Be the most beautiful star in the sky. We've got real space sponges. Take colored sponges. Trace a star template on one of them. Cut it out. Make an arc to get a half moon shape. We've got a pale blue moon. Turn a yellow sponge into a bright sun. There's an entire solar system to be used for your makeup. Apply foundation with a pink star or add a little sunshine to your skin. We lack a little moon glow. It's time for magic! The transformation is finished. It's time for walking. Moon is happy she's got a friend from Earth. They can eat burgers, sing songs, chat, and discuss the news together. The only problem is that Moon can't get any access to the burgers. They didn't expect to be eaten by the moon. You can only eat some lettuce. Coffee is excellent. Moon is a great coffee lover. She certainly is, as she stays up sleepless overnight shining in the sky. She just can't manage without coffee. Can a girl party without taking a selfie? Moon and Starry don't need Snapchat. They're marvelous without filters. And here's the dessert. A lot of it. Let's dance to remove the excess calories. Let it be Dancing with the Stars. Moon enjoys being with her friend. It's much more entertaining than hanging out alone in the sky. It seems Starry has eaten all her lip makeup, and Moon's got a gift for her. Take a lipstick you don't like. Let's turn it into super galaxy makeup. Cut a sponge into several parts. Paint the top with acrylic paint. Use black, blue, and red ones. Dab the top to make a space nebula. Dip a toothbrush into white acrylic paint and flip it to make stardust. Paint the tube in the same way. Melt lipstick above a flame. Add blue food coloring. Stir with a wooden stick. Add glitter of lilac, blue, and silver shades. Pour the galaxy liquid back into the tube. Wait 10 minutes until it hardens. The galaxy lipstick glows like a star. Moon and Starry come back home. They're friends forever. Moon's given so much makeup to Starry. What should she put it in? Don't worry, Moon's made an original moon-shaped makeup bag. We'll need yellow felt. Cut out a printed picture of the moon. Trace the template on the felt. Cut out two of the same details. Join them using hot glue. Leave one side unglued. Turn the moon right side out. Make the edge neat. Fold it and hot glue. Put in a yellow zipper. Make eyelashes from black felt and attach the eyes to the moon. Hot glue pink felt clouds to the cheek. Tie up a blue felt star to the pull tab. Put your galaxy makeup into a cute moon makeup bag. Thank you, Moon. You're my dearest universe friend. I'll remember this day forever. Oh, it's been just a dream? Then why is there a flying saucer? Did you like our space story? And what about galaxy makeup? Write in your comments how you would spend time with the moon. Be sure to subscribe.
Do it! Prank wars, beauty hacks, magic tricks, we got your back. Tips, bring it in. You'll never be bored again. Slime, DIY, always a new surprise. The channel that will blow your mind.